Thanks to Sprinkler, my research got a very international impact.
So I like the international flavor of the journal. I like the fact that we're publishing a lot from Europe, the Middle East. We're getting increasing submissions from the Middle East, Africa, Asia, and it's just nice to see work coming in from those areas.
We're also really excited about what Springer is offering in terms of our presence, both through the website that they're going to provide for us and through the marketing opportunities that will share this journal with a population that we don't think we've been reaching, which is a more global population, a more international population.